By 2026, over 20 million professionals rely on Notion for project management, and for good reason. It's a versatile tool that streamlines workflows, enhances collaboration, and boosts productivity. In this complete guide, we'll walk through setting up Notion for project management and explore why it's become an indispensable asset for modern knowledge workers and students. Notion's flexibility lies in its ability to adapt to any workflow or project structure. You can create a Kanban board, calendar, or even a mind map, all within one intuitive interface. But to truly unlock its potential, you'll need to understand the basics of Notion's database system. A Notion database serves as the foundation for any project or workflow. It stores and organizes data in a customizable grid, allowing you to create, edit, and link pages with ease. To set up a database for project management, start by creating a new page and selecting the database template. You'll then choose the type